Good morning, friends. Today is December 9th, 2020. You're going to write the date and number corner at the top of your paper. Press pause if you need more time. Next to number 1, you are going to be writing about the calendar. A blank is a blank. So we're starting with the object and we're talking about the shape. So here is the picture for today. I see a basketball. So next to number 1, you are going to write a basketball is a, and then the name of the shape. Don't forget, you need a capital letter at the beginning, spaces between your words, and punctuation at the end. It would be helpful if you also drew the picture that you see on the card. Next to number 2, we are drawing today's clock. Now today's clock, you are drawing the clock and you are making 12 o'clock p.m., which we also say noon. So I blank at, and you can either write 12 o'clock p.m. or noon. So when we think about what we are doing, we are often either in our last class, in our morning session, or we are probably heading to lunch. So again, I blank at 12 o'clock p.m. or noon. Alrighty, so now when we look at the number of days we've been in school, as of yesterday we were in school for 51 days. We have been in school for one more day. So we had 51. One more than 51 is 52. So now we've been in school for 52 days. You are going to represent the number 52 with an addition equation, subtraction equation, tally marks, coins that have a value of 52 cents, and the 10 sticks and 1 blocks. Press pause if you need more time. And then our last job is number 4. So again, we are counting backwards. We are starting at 71 and we are counting backwards to 48. So starting at 71 and counting back to 48. Alrighty, friends, that is all you have for Number Corner today. I hope you have a fabulous day. You got this, friends.